What's up, everybody? Your boy, Big Boy Torres up in this bitch. We're gonna do today. See that we're gonna give the illusion that this car is gonna be closer to the floor. In other words, we're gonna lower that some bitch.
Damn, boy.
Probably about, I think it's like an inch and a half.
Inch and a half. All right, guys. So look, these are the springs he bought, H&R, really good brand, and you see them. Damn, they're clean, ready to put on. Good.
Yeah, yeah.
And he got the adapters right here because he can't fit many type of wheels, so we have to, you know, get some adapters. And we're gonna see if those wheels fit. Now that we just seen these, and we just want to to see how they look. And yeah, we got the adapter, so we're gonna do that too. But first, we're gonna drop it, right?
Yeah, yeah.
All right, guys. So let's get to it. Hey, Ruben, you ever thought this day would come?
I thought it would be a lot sooner, but hey man, it's been a while since I had this beat.
Oh shit.
Oh shit.
Damn, that shit's gonna look good.
Oh
like,
shit, that thing sticks out.
It's gonna pop out, Ruben. I love it. Yo, that hell gonna pop out.
That's gonna look nice.
Well, first you gotta, like, you know, if you want to get them wheels.
Let's just get tires.
I'm gonna get 18s anyways.
Yeah, I know.
So I'm gonna get the tires.
So you want to get those wheels? They're $300 now, huh?
300?
I'll give it for 250.
I love money.
All four.
If you want to buy them, and they're good.
Yeah.
Like they don't look fucked up at all.
I know.
Except for two of them. Not this one. This is on the driver's side. I got one of them that's got a cut here, and the other one here, but that's it.
That's it. That's it.
For starting wheels,
Hey, we're starting.
it's good.
Oh, hell yeah.
Getting the plug over here.
Yeah.
We don't waste anything at Havik HQ. You know, we gotta take advantage of every little thing. Look, like we got some springs over here in case we need them, bitches. We got some old ass rotors if we need them. Some bumper over here. You got everything over here at Havik HQ.
Havik HQ.
Alright, tell them a little bit of what hold up. It looks like bad. Right? Yeah, tell us what we're about to do after we drop this.
So after we drop this, we're gonna take Oscar's old wheels to the tire shop. We get tires for him, put them in the tires, all that, and you know, put them in, man. We're gonna be done with this project by the end of today.
Well, for now, because later in the future, you're gonna get some.
Yeah, we're gonna get a new bumper, get to fix the freaking muffler, everything, man.
Hey, we're gonna get this tire size for the 4. They're 225 40 18s. And yeah, I mean, this was just last minute thing. We were just
trying to drop it today, man, but fuck, we getting wheels and everything.
Checking the back spring is pretty similar to the 370Z, and it's pretty easy. So the back ones we finished in about, I don't know, like a couple minutes, 20 minutes, 30 each one. The front ones though, that's a different story right there. I'm gonna shoot, Ruben. You ready?
Yeah, we just loaded the back just now.
I think it is good. With the wheels, it's gonna look clean, cause the wheels is gonna like pop out over here.
It's just gonna settle too.
Yeah. We're gonna go take the wheels to Monica Bros and hopefully get them mounted today so we can we'll put tires on them so we can put them on. Which ones?
You already told them you're in a good?
Yeah, I already told them they're gonna use those since nobody has bought them. We're getting the hookup over here with Oscar. We got the wheels over here and 2 wheels in the back. Got the baby seat over here. And we're gonna go, since now we finished lowering the back, we're gonna go take these, and hopefully when we finish the 2 fronts, they'll be ready to pick up and install. So, do that shit, cut. Take 3 bolts right here.
1 bolt right there. And remove all these lines.
And it'll come that sucker right off. Take that sucker right off. And compress the spring and put the new one in.
That tastes good.
While Oscar, George, and Ruben go get the wheels for the Volvo. Kind of bored, so I'm just gonna turn this sucker on. Good boy. Alright guys, so I took it for a drive, but that's gonna be next video. So I'm gonna post that after this video you're gonna watch. So stay tuned for the next video. Weir's coming next week, guys. Oh shit, rain. Oh shit. Oh, it's popping out like, god damn, the back is like, way.
You'll be copyrighted.